Hello, I Fiza Rahaman from Kolkata, West Bengal, currently pursuing my international MBA at ISMS Pune. I am truly grateful for the enriching student life here, as ISMS provides everything we need for personal and professional growth. In my first year in Pune, life is full of excitement. We join clubs, participate in sports and cultural events, and attend workshops that help us build skills and make friends. We attend guest lectures from industry leaders, work on team projects, participate in career fairs, and receive 24/7 academic support. ISMS Pune also offers an unique student mobility program where UK students visit our campus, explore our city, and experience our culture, creating a global learning environment. The institute supports us with visa assistance, accommodation, English training, and modern campus facilities. The journey prepares me for my second year in the UK at Cardiff Metropolitan University. ISMS Pune's premium partners, providing global exposure and strong career opportunities. Thank you, ISMS, for this perfect student life.